The traditional method of replacing your interior doors is dead. What used to take 15 hours to do, we can now do in less than 5.
People like timing. People want to do their own life. They don't want construction in their house. They don't want to mess. We completely eliminate that. We just door, hinges, hardware out of the house to the next project. With our laser technology, we can turn your ugly door into the brand new door with no mess, no stress.
We have the ability to come in, we have a laser measuring device, then whatever door the client selects is prefabricated and pre-painted off-site. We take down the old doors, we install the new door directly into that opening, final adjustments on hardware, and we're out. Since all the doors are already prepped and painted when we show up, there's no downtime in between. With the old process, go to bed without doors for a couple of nights.
Like I said, no mess, no stress. All the doors and the hardware and installation come with the warranty. 5-year warranty for the doors, 1 year on installation, 1 year on the paint.